What's the meaning of attired? Attired. Attired.
Attired. Attired. Attired is an adjective that describes someone's clothing or overall appearance. When someone is attired, they are usually dressed in a particular way, perhaps for a specific purpose or event. The term connotes an intentional choice of dress that reflects a certain level of formality or style. For example, one might describe a bride as attired in a flowing white wedding gown or a business executive as attired in a tailored suit. In short, attired suggests a deliberate and well-considered outfit meant to make a statement or convey a certain image.